I'm going to show you how to block an undesirable user from your YouTube channel in just a few easy steps. So you've got a not very nice comment on one of your YouTube videos, and I'm going to show you how to remove it and stop that user from commenting on any more of your videos. Plus, I'm going to show you why this particular feature is so good and show you how to access it both on your computer and your mobile device. So you sign into your channel, you check your comments for the day, and then you get something like this. Absolute nonsense. And I don't care how you say this does or doesn't affect you, in some way it does. So what we want to do here is to regulate this sort of thing being seen on your channel. And whilst you can't totally block anybody from seeing your content, there is things you can do to stop this sort of behaviour, and I'll go through them. Okay, so one thing we can do is to stop a particular user from commenting on our channel. So the way we do that is once we're signed into our channel, we go up to the icon at the top there, click it, and then down to Studio, and then over to Comments. For the sake of the video, I commented here from my other channel. So what we do now, we go over to the three dots. And then we've got the drop down menu, and then click Hide User from Channel. That now has instantly disappeared. And it means that that particular user can no longer show any comments on any of my videos at all. And I'll show you a really cool thing about this feature. As you can see up here, I've signed back into the channel that I did the nonsense comment with. And so with this account, if I go back to the video that I commented on, it still shows to me that the comment exists. But if I sign back out of this and sign back in to my account, so I'm in my account now, and if I look down now, there's no comment whatsoever. The nonsense comment from that previous account will not show here, or if anybody else takes a look at it with their account either. It can only be seen from the commenter's account. So using this Hide User from Channel feature doesn't actually prevent the commenter from viewing your content or from commenting, but the commenter that has been hidden is the only one that can see their own comments. Nobody else on YouTube can do so. So as far as this commenter is concerned, they'll keep viewing your content and keep commenting, but it will be an absolute waste of their own time because nobody else will see it, only them. And they know nothing about it, which I think is pretty cool. Basically, they have no idea whatsoever that they've been put on the naughty step. And they'll just go ahead and keep wasting their own time. Brilliant. So again, you can see I've put 3 comments on there from this account. And when I switch back and take a look under the video at the comments, still absolutely nothing there. So in a nutshell, the commenter has no idea whatsoever that this feature has been used against them. And so there's more than one way we can get to this feature. The one I've already shown, where we click the icon at the top, we go to Studio, and then down to Comments at the side, choose a comment, drop down menu, Hide User from Channel. That's the one way I've already shown. Another way is on your home page, click Customize Channel, then down on the side again, Comments, and the comments will appear. Again, choose a comment, hit the 3 dots, down to Hide User from Channel. Another way we can do it is from the video page, choose a video, and then of course underneath is the listed comments, and right the other side here, at the side of each comment, is the 3 dots again. Click the 3 dots, and we can select Hide User from Channel from here, from the actual video page. And another way of doing it is to find the commenter's channel, go to their About page, and you'll see a flag. Click the flag and Hide User from My Channel. And if you're using your device, the most efficient thing to do is to use the YouTube Studio app and then go to comments. And you can see there's the 3 dots. Press that and it brings up this menu, hide user from channel. But just remember that whichever way you decide to come to this, you can be sure that no one can leave any comments on any of your videos, even though they think they are doing.